Welcome to the IOD Holiday Release 2023. We're so excited as IOD creators to share a playlist that you'll find linked in the description box below that a bunch of us have put together for the holiday season. You know how it is. It gets to be this time of year and all you're thinking about is, who do I have to get gifts for? And how can I make those gifts special? Awesome little gifts, and I'm doing it all for under $60. 15 gifts, under $60.
Gather your supplies. Most everything I used, I found laying around my house and in my stash. For my gift projects, I'm using Candy Cane Cottage Transfer. The first thing I do is cut apart the entire transfer packet so that I can categorize and sort my transfers according to the projects that I want to do. This little 8x12 transfer pad comes with 8 sheets full of Christmas designs. They're great for small gift projects. First, I want to base coat all of my project pieces. I've chosen similar paint colors for my projects just to make this step easier. Then I've determined what transfers I want to use on what project, and I begin the transfer process. I find it easier to do this all in one step. Then I'll move on later to the finish coats or any special effect finishes. When I applied this transfer to the glass jar, I had just a little bit of a slip, but I find it easy to fix with my thumbnail. Now let's add some extra details. On the glass vase, I have added a clear medium which has an ice effect. This is going to give a really pretty frosted crystal look for a candle holder. For the coaster set and the tray, I'm applying a decoupage layer before I apply the transfers. It's important to let the decoupage layer dry completely before adding transfers over the top. Here I'm using my transfer applicator to scrape away at the edges of the transfer, just to give it a bit more of a rustic look. To seal the transfers in place, I am coating each of my projects with a clear polyacrylic matte sealer. And I'm going to add a few other extra special touches. To the miniature frames, I'll add some little word stickers. These little vintage frames are the perfect size to include with a gift card. The wood tags are great as an ornament, and you can also attach a gift card to the back side of them. For some of my gift projects, I decided to add a crackle finish to them. So I've assembled those pieces that I want to add this extra detail to, so that I can complete this process all in one step. Remember, it makes it so much easier and so much faster when you plan ahead and then batch your processes together. So I do all of my crackle medium all at one time. If you're here today and you have not subscribed to our channel, we would be so thrilled if you would hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, and give us a thumbs up. For the next process, I'm going to apply dark wax to all of those pieces that I want to give an aged look. You can find all of the supplies that we have used listed in the description box below.
The wonders of life got the prettiest side for everyone to enjoy. Standing up close by the
I'm adding a glossy red paint to the edge of this little Lazy Susan.
I will be home for a couple of days.
On the wood tags, I decided to add a few little resin and clay appliques from past IOD holiday release molds. Then I painted these with that glossy paint and added some glitter for even a little bit more holiday sparkle.
Don't care of anything else. It's Christmas and some kind of love, my friend. I'll pray it will never end.
I found this red ceramic knob to add to the top of the trinket box.
It's Christmas and outside snow's glistening. It's just you and me tonight. I'll spend all this Christmas with you.
I decided that I wanted to give my tray some extra durability, so I added a resin pouring glaze over the top to really give it some extra shine and durability.
Time for your present, come over here. Now it is time to get out in the snow.
So there you go, 15 Christmas projects for holiday gift giving or just to get together with family and friends for some creative, fun Christmas crafting. Using mostly thrifted finds and the IOD Candy Cane Cottage transfer, I was able to do 15 projects for under $60. Hey, and while you're here, we'd love it if you would hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications so that you don't miss another project from L&J Goods. 15 gifts under $60. Whoops.
It's $4 a gift.
That's basically an average of $4 a gift. You know, we're not counting your supplies other than the cost
All right,
of
now we're
this
getting
transfer.
We don't want to talk math here.
No math. All right. Them to a little gift that you've created with your own hands. That you've created. What?
My arms are tired.
I'm also going to show you how to maximize your time by batching your process steps together so that you can get all these gifts done in no time.
Think working in a factory, but Christmas.
Think about working in a little Christmas cottage.
Working your little elf fingers to the bone.
Working your elf fingers to the bone.